Hi, this is Trisha from Sandy and Otto, and I have a reseller unboxing. These are items that I have purchased from Maria-California Thrifter, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox these and we'll take a look at what I got together. And so up first, I have gone ahead and opened the boxes just to save on a little bit of time for the unboxing, but I haven't gone through what's inside yet. So here is a great box. It has nice identifications of fragile and all that good stuff written on it. So up first, here is a scarf, and I will go ahead and open this bag up here. Oops. There we go. So here is a really pretty scarf. There we go. There's the pretty design on it. That's what I was trying to get to, and some really nice fringe. So that is a very good looking scarf. And then I'm going to save this part here. So the next item is packed real tight in there. So that's nice. Lots of cardboard around it to keep it safe. And then down at the bottom here, which is what I'm trying to get to, is, oh goodness, got stuff flying around here, is another scarf. So that's what I was trying to get to here, is getting to this other great scarf down here. So this is really pretty. Great colors on this one. Look at that. Aren't those just lovely colors? So this is a very nice scarf. And then the other item in here, oh, and she sent, look at that pretty envelope in there. Oh, it's a nice note. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Nice job, Maria. So here I'm going to get rid of the cardboard there and get rid of the cardboard to get to this item here, which is wrapped really nice in bubble. So that's great that she's got the protection of the cardboard and the bubble wrap, and that seems to have done a great job in getting that up to me. I'm just going to cut away some of that bubble there. Okay, very nice. And another layer of bubble. That's always good. Here, I'm going to cut away. You can see we've got great bubble on there. And lots of tape. Can't go wrong with the extra tape. And some newspaper, and look at this lovely dish. Isn't that gorgeous? This is, I'm going to show the back here. See if I can read the back even. And I think I'm getting a little extra light in on the window. That's making it just a little hard for me to see. Oh, there I think it is. There, so that's a Fire King. Look how pretty that is. Nice luster on that. That is a lovely bowl. Okay, so that was a great box. Now we'll move on to the other box that I have from her. And again, lots of paper in here. And so up first we have a bag of poinsettias. This is really nice. These are just, yeah, they're all individual. That's great. So you can put them on a wreath or on your tree, however you want on that. And then the rest of the box, that's packed really nicely in here. So let's see, let's do this one first. So we've got some nice bubble on that. Lots of bubble. Oh, this pretty box. There, this one is that Monet? Yes, this is Monet. So isn't that pretty? And then we've got this one here. Oh my, these are, these are metal. These are metal signs. So, oh, Alencon. I'll just show that instead of trying to read through it. So there's the back, dated 1980. This one, Concourse something something. And this one I do know, that says Le Mans on there. That one I do recognize. So I think these are car, for your car to put on there. And I thought those were really fun. So I'm going to have a good time doing some investigative work on those to kind of get a little more history and figure out exactly what those are and what they're for. I like a good bit of detective work on things. And so here we have a mug. And oh, this is Holland, yes. This is a very, very cute Holland mug. Look at that. Isn't that adorable? With the little windmill. Oh, there we go. Windmill and the wooden shoes and the tulips. Really cute. And then here again, oh, lots of good bubble on that one. Maria, you did a great job packing this one. Oh yes, oh, this is a pretty leaf plate. Look at that. Isn't that pretty with the bird on it? That is just lovely. Really nice shine on that plate. Very good. And then here is the last item, and you can see what a great job she did packing this box. And here is a, oops, I'm going to need to cut that. There we go. It's another leaf plate. This one's just a little different. A little more of the green and brown on that one, but oh, those look pretty together. Very nice. All the great colors of fall on that one. So, so there we go. Those were everything that I got from Maria. So I got the 2 scarves right there and there. I've got the Fire King bowl, the 2 leaf plates, the Monet box, and the Holland mug, the bag of poinsettias, and the, I think these are car badges, metal car badges. So that is a really fun mix, and appreciate Maria doing such a great job in packing that all up so everything arrived safely. And if you like this type of content, unboxings, and other reseller information, please consider subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification button to get notified of new videos that I put out. And I do have live sales every Wednesday at 4:30 Eastern, 1:30 Pacific. And you can join me by clicking the reminders that I have on my homepage, YouTube page. So that you'll get notifications of when I go live for my live sales, and appreciate a like on this video on your way out. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those behind. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.